Today what we're gonna solve is a list of pin challenge optimized chat server, and it's gonna look a little funky because I recorded this so many times and I'm recording double the record. But one of the first things that I will do is use research on the CD that's here and trying to find out what exactly I'm gonna be looking for, and adjust and get an idea of what I'm doing. As soon as you see gut file and you open it and you unzip it, you immediately should be thinking of Wireshark, right? So get started. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay, so the first question is how many GET requests are there in total? You can do this two ways. You can use this filter that I use here, request method get, and it's going to give you, once it loads, all the results at the bottom. I think it didn't want to load. Oh, there you go. It's loading now. So the results are going to come at the bottom, and right what I'm trying to point, it's going to happen anytime now. There we go. Display, that's the amount of GET requests. Alternatively, you can go to statistics, go to protocol hierarchy, and it's going to show you the packets in a more clear manner if that helps, which is going to use the filters that you used. So that would be the answer for question one. Second one is what is the host value in packet? So if you have any doubts, what you can do is just use the http filter. And when they ask the question and before I put the answer, they were also asking for the port number. And what you can do is you will see the port right there in the transmission control protocol, port 990. It's also going to be a header that will say host. So how you put them close together, either together or you copy and paste it, and that will be the answer for number two. Number three is what is the CSRF token for logins? If you don't know what a token is, that looks like I was just googling it, so you what you're looking for. Alternatively, you can use login filter. I think I did it. Frame contains login. It's going to show up everything that has login number in it, or in the URL which you use login or row. What you also do is that you go through the timestamps to make sure that it's the first login. It will help me with the first one. Everything related to the login, the username, and the password is usually going to be at the bottom. And I think there you go. Once you open it and you get to the cookie session, you will see the token there. You will see the login URL, and that will be your token that you copy and paste, or you just type it. Okay. Your question is, what is the password on the first user who logged in? So, what did I do? Oh, was it? Oh yeah, if you scroll on the bottom, in the HTML, you can see, and I left because the password was funny. The username, the password at the bottom. So in this case, the username is admin and the password is admin here. And you scroll that bottom part, you will see that as well. Whatever you click at the bottom, right, the double is going to be highlighted at the top. So that makes it easier. Your question was, what is the first name that was created by the attacker? So, right, I want to see what I did here. I probably put in frame contains user. And as you can tell, this is going to be this one of my favorite page to use. Oh, okay. I didn't use that. I used create user. Once you create a username, it's either going to be the default language is using to create user, or username. In this case, it was to create then because create user didn't work. They have a dash in the middle. It has a dash in the middle. Okay, so use this for you see that one, we only get two results, and two, if you click on it, you double click on all the way at the bottom, right there, you will see plus is the user name, UD, and it also gives you the password. So that will be the first user created. Your question? How many user accounts did the attacker create? Okay, so we saw that only 2 users. We only got 2 results for user create. So the attacker only created 2 users. What is the username that the attacker used to log in that panel? Okay, so when we first look at UMO6OD, we did not see if the admin is on or admin is set to true or set to 1. That led me to think this is not the user that was used to log into the admin panel, but it is this one. Third, scrolling, we will see that is admin is on. So which means the one that attacker created this user, it gave it admin privileges so that it can log into everything. I just want to let you guys know I tried recording this video for 3 days and I had all sorts of issues, a couple of frustrating moments, and then I finally had to figure out. Okay, moving on. What is the name of the plugin that the attacker created? So I probably typed in plugin here. Is that what I did? I did. I missed it. Double click. Okay. Okay, this is kind of exciting. See what I did to see my logic. So we get a couple of results. Like an admin. So it's either gonna be a get or a post request, right? So you're gonna get the request trying to download the plugin, and you're gonna post it when you're trying to upload it. I hope that makes sense. And that's what I was pretty sure that's what I was explaining. And this one was a get request plugin. Background is still looking for it. Trying to remember what is it that I did. Because I solved about 3 challenges or so per day. And I have to remember which one I'm doing. So if I find the get request, there we go. So that's where it was downloaded. Plugins open fire. Okay, great. So then that's the one that we put down there, right? That's the one that we put down there. And then for a question, I missed it. What's the other question? Question is, what is the first command executed by the user? Okay, great. So I probably typed in command, right? I probably did that. That would make my life finding skills a lot better. You can also put who am I? Show up again. How many packets do you have to get through? So basically when you're typing command, what you're gonna do is just go through the packets. And as you develop your intuition, as you solve more and more, you're gonna get a feeling of the command is gonna show at the bottom as well, and it's gonna say in this case, who am I? Oh, I want to know. Okay, and I wanted to read the whole thing, and it's gonna be in the gonna be in that section. I remember now. Oh, okay. So, okay, I know what happened. I got tired, and I said I'm gonna pause this on which you guys time until I find it. So, still using the same command, and when I started reading, and also I got kind of removed to understand what the person did more. Find it here as a post. Okay, so they uploaded the plugin, and after command, they gain privileges. Builders are already admin. They confirm by typing one. And last one is what is what is the last command that they use? I know. So here you're gonna do the same, right? You're gonna type in command, you're gonna go through it, and you're gonna finding the last command. It starts with a new, so that's the hint. And I hope this was helpful. And I will be posting more videos now that I've finally figured out. There, I'm telling you that you can Google the CVE, find out what it is, get more ideas of what you're looking for. Oh, because this one is a past transversal. So you're gonna have dot forward slash a couple of times. Treat it as a hi. And I think that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. And I think at this point I say goodbye. But I really hope this was helpful. And let me know if you have any questions for the next challenges. And I'll see you guys next.